The Curious Cloud and the Rainbow Bridge. Once upon a time, high in the sky, there lived a small, fluffy cloud named Puffy. Puffy was different from the other clouds. While most clouds were content to drift lazily across the sky, Puffy was always curious, always asking questions. What lies beyond the horizon? Puffy would wonder. Where does the rainbow go when it touches the earth? One day, after a gentle summer rain, Puffy noticed a brilliant rainbow stretching across the sky. It arched gracefully from one end of the horizon to the other, with colors so vivid they seemed to dance in the sunlight. Puffy had seen rainbows before, but this one was different. It was brighter, more beautiful, and something about it seemed magical. I must find out where the rainbow leads, Puffy thought excitedly. Without hesitation, Puffy began to follow the rainbow, floating along the sky, eager to discover what lay at the end. As Puffy drifted closer, a flock of birds joined in, flying alongside the little cloud. "Where are you going, Puffy?" asked a cheerful sparrow. "I'm following the rainbow to see where it leads," Puffy replied with a puff of determination. The birds chirped in delight and decided to accompany Puffy on this grand adventure. Together they soared through the sky, passing over rolling green hills and sparkling rivers that glistened in the sunlight. As Puffy and the birds neared the end of the rainbow, they noticed something extraordinary. The rainbow wasn't just fading away like usual. Instead, it was forming a bridge of light and color, leading to a distant land. Puffy was filled with excitement and wonder. "Look," said a wise old eagle who had joined the journey. "The rainbow has created a bridge. Perhaps it leads to a magical place." With renewed enthusiasm, Puffy floated onto the rainbow bridge, feeling the colors beneath as if they were soft, gentle waves. The birds followed closely, their wings glowing with the rainbow's light. As they crossed the bridge, the world below began to change. The fields became more vibrant, the trees taller and greener, and the flowers bloomed in shades Puffy had never seen before. Finally, Puffy reached the end of the rainbow bridge, and what lay beyond took everyone's breath away. It was a land where the sky was filled with clouds of every shape and size, all glowing with different colors. There were clouds that sparkled like diamonds, clouds that shimmered like gold, and even clouds that sang with the wind. In this magical place, Puffy met other clouds who had also been curious and had followed rainbows to this hidden world. They welcomed Puffy with open arms, or rather, open wisps, and Puffy felt at home immediately. The other clouds taught Puffy how to create colors and shapes in the sky, how to paint the sunsets and make the morning light dance. Puffy realized that this was the answer to all the questions it had ever asked. Curiosity had led Puffy to a world of wonder, where imagination and creativity knew no bounds. From that day on, Puffy spent its time creating the most beautiful skies anyone had ever seen. And when it was time for a rainbow to appear, Puffy would guide it, knowing that somewhere another curious cloud might be following it, just as Puffy once. And so, the curious cloud became the most colorful, creative cloud in the sky. And every time a rainbow appeared, it was a reminder of the magical adventure that Puffy had embarked on, all because it dared to follow its curiosity. And if you ever see a particularly bright and beautiful rainbow, remember that Puffy might be there, just beyond the horizon, waiting to show you the way to a magical world of your own. The end.